The group buy for the Qwertykeys QK80 is ending in a couple of days, so if you want to get this very affordable TKL keyboard, you may want to be fast. Yes, we know we are late, but here it is, our review of the QK80. So let's start with the price of this keyboard first. For the Malaysian market, because we're based here in Malaysia, this keyboard can be purchased from Reebok Keyboards for 855 ringgit. That price includes the plate, the PCB, as well as the case of the QK80, and if you want to go for a plateless build instead, you can also lower the price accordingly. For international markets, on the other hand, it starts from $180 again with the plate included, so if you remove that, you can lower the price again. Next, we have the sound profile of the QK80, which has been a hotly debated topic for some reason. The thing is, Qwertykeys as well as Owlstabs keyboards in general are known for their talky sound profile, and in the case of the QK80, it's a little bit different because of the PCB. Before this keyboard entered group buy, there was actually only one PCB option that was going to be available, which is the one with flat scuds, and these got some flack from the community because with some flat scuds you get a thinner and more open sound signature, which is something that people don't want out of a Qwertykeys keyboard apparently. So after all that hoo-ha, there are now two PCB options, one with flat scuds and one without any flat scud if you want a fuller and more thick sound profile. Anyway, our review unit here does come with the PCB with flat scuds, which has, a more open sound profile, which I personally don't mind at all. It's really a game of preference at the end of the day, as it is in the custom keyboard hobby. This particular build of the QK80 only comes with a plate foam, so you get a really open sound signature that you don't usually associate with Qwertykeys. I personally quite like it because it almost sounds like a crystally sound profile in a way, and it goes well with the black crystal finish on the bottom of this keyboard. Aside from that, there's also this very nice magnetized badge on the back of the keyboard, which you can choose from 3 different designs if I'm not mistaken, and it does give the keyboard a very nice and unique signature look, and it doesn't look like it's a very affordable keyboard at all. As for the typing feel of this keyboard, this is a gasket mounted keyboard, and there are 2 different gaskets given this time around. One is softer and the other one is harder, so if you want a softer typing experience, go with that one, etc, etc. So that level of customizability is very nice. Aside from that, this is also a wireless keyboard that works either with a dongle or Bluetooth, and you can choose to get a wing keyless layout or a wing key layout. This particular one is the wing keyless layout, and that's very nice. So all things considered, the QK80 is yet another contender in the much contested best budget keyboard alongside the JRE75, the QK75, and it has come to the point where it's just what kind of layout that you want and what kind of aesthetic that you like. If you like the looks of the QK80 and you like the sound profile, whether you want it to be clacky, just don't use the foam. If you want it to be talky, use all the foam and you can get the sound profile that you desire. So with that in mind, if you like the sound profile and the aesthetic of the QK80, go ahead and buy it because you've only got a couple of days left before the group buy closes. So as usual, we will leave you guys with a sound test of the QK80, and like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel and Nextrift.com.